What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, we're going to do a basic ABC medium ball fade with 1.5 against the grain. I mean, with the grain. 1.5 with the grain. All detachable blades. I'm going to be using my Oster Octane. I'm excited. You are excited. Hey, if you're new to the channel, this is the time you subscribe right now. Thank you. Shout out to Custom Made Barber Shop and Detachable for order. What's up? Actually, it's Custom Made Barber School. I'm sorry, man. I keep calling it Barber Shop, but I know now you're operating a barber school. Let's go! As you already know my style, half of the haircut has already been completed on the other side. I just leave a small portion to share with you guys. I hope you're excited. All right, let's get to it. This haircut is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School, LLC in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Today is February 22nd, 02/22/22, something like that. What a wonderful day that is. It's a nice, beautiful, rainy day, cloudy. I love it. By the way, some of you guys have been following me on Instagram. I appreciate that. Barber Illuminati. I'm also on TikTok under Marvelous Barber School. Watch out for that. Once again, this is an all detachable blade haircut. As you can see, I've been using adjustable blade clippers, primarily the Magic Clip. That's one of my favorite. But still, I can't even help it. I'm trying to combine the adjustable blade clippers with all detachable blade clippers. You see, I accidentally picked up a Magic Clip, but it's all good. I'm only going to fade the sideband with it. Speaking of the Magic Clip, I need to keep this Magic Clip off my station. Alright. This is an all detachable blade haircut, I can tell you that. I picked up the Magic Clip by accident, but it's all good. Medium skin fade. 1.5 metal with the grain. I think I have a few other haircuts similar to it, but this is a different hair texture. Yep, if you're familiar with my style, you can easily predict what I'm going to be doing next. I'm going to create the first guideline with the OA. First guideline with the OA blade. Here we go. OA, first guideline, let's go. I'm using my Oster Octane. These companies are not paying me a check yet. I don't see why not. If they want to promote these clippers, I'm the man for the job. But I am not that much affordable. You know, I am my own brand. You can't just hire the Barber Illuminati just for a little bit of nothing, you know. I'm not that cheap. Anyway, 000 into the OA at an angle, of course. .50 into my 000. Boom. All right, I'm gonna repeat some of the steps from the first guideline towards the back. I have to make sure I don't make this video too long. I just picked up my 000 below into the OA actually. All right, let's move on to the second guideline quickly. This haircut is very simple. It's nothing fancy, nothing complicated. All right, I'm gonna move on to my, let me take down the top with the 1.5 quickly. Oh snap, my phone is ringing. Don't go nowhere, YouTube. Hello? Yeah, I did. Like 4:30 is gonna show up. Okay, I'm making this video. I'll call you back. It's okay. Bye. All right. Hi YouTube, you know I'm at work. So I'll be doing these videos while I'm at work. I have to stop to pick up the phone sometime, you know. You know how that go. Here's my 1.5 with the grain. My man has some waves under there. But you know, you need to pick up the brush and start brushing. That's it. You got the good hair, you know. All right, now I'm gonna go back, work on my second guideline into the 1.5 metal. Here we go. That's the 1.5. You know what? I need my 2. I forgot. I need to put my 2 to kind of completely merge with the 1.5 I have going this way. So here's my 2 right here, get in there. I accidentally pick up the 1.5, but I needed a 2. Boom. All right. 1.5 with the bend still. All right, let's proceed with the 1.5 then. One 8 into the 1.5. Where's my 1/8? There she goes. One into the 1/8. .08 into my 1. All right, I'm going to repeat some of the steps towards the back of the haircut. Move the chair slightly. Starting with my 1.5. 1A into the 1.5. My style is still the same from many years ago. I never change it. From time to time I do a freestyle haircut where I don't go by any particular step. But you know, just to maintain the consistency on the channel, so I had to cut with a specific technique to make sure that you guys are able to keep up with me, you know? I don't want to confuse anybody, you know? But from time to time, I'm going to throw in a freestyle haircut. Why not? Shout out to Larry's Barbershop on the south side. What's up? 79th Street, what's up? I have a lot of subscribers in that school in particular. Maybe one day I'll go down there and visit. You never know. I'm sure Larry's going to afford me. Alright, I'm going to adjust the camera quickly. I'm going to finish up with the front hairline and see if there's anything else I can do to beautify the haircut. Otherwise, we are looking good. As you can see, the other haircut, the other side has already been completed. I'm just gonna add the lining to the right side, and we're gonna look at the entire. Mama, would you take a look, please? Madison back there. I'm gonna look at the entire haircut. Then we'll take it from there. All right. Boom. Boom. All right, trim the bang, let him take a look. All right, as you can see, I'm at work, still making my videos. You know, I can walk and chew gum at the same time. Yep. Boom. There's a little drop on his bone on this side. Making the line on the other side look a little different. So I'm going to adjust a bit and that's it. Alright. I'm going to go over the top one more time and then we're going to do a quick span and then we're going to get out of here. Still, this is the 1.5 with the grain, wavelength. You know, my man here, he has a little bit of something on the wave side. You just gotta brush it up a little. That's all. Here's my two. Adjusting the blend a bit. By the way, truthfully, this side was done with the magic clip. The blade side look a little lighter. This side was done with fitted with the magic clip, with the wall magic clip, cordless, something like that. All right, YouTube. We're gonna do a quick spin, then we're gonna get out of here. All right, YouTube. This is the cut. If you watch the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. Like I said, this video has been recorded, or is being recorded, at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois, and we are not hard to find. Absolutely not. All right, I'm gonna do a quick spin. After that, we're gonna get out of here, man. We're gonna get out of here. Let me zoom in a little. There we go. It's my one, it looks like the only video for the day. It's all good. Shout out to Madison Cuts from out of the zoo. I cannot explain what the zoo mean, but whatever. YouTube, this is the entire work. I'm sure you liked the video. Feel free to comment, subscribe, like, share to everybody you know on social media. That's it, really. I'm running out of words to say. I'm going to put a quick razor lining on my man. But I'm going to do it off camera. I don't want the video to be too long. Yep, I'm going to put a little razor lining on him before I let him go. And that's it, really. Yep, that's it. All right, YouTube, we're out of here.